बड़ी खबर इस वक्त की और ये टाइम्स नाउ एक्सक्लूसिव न्यूज ब्रेक है। सीसीटीवी फुटेज ऑफ मनीष शुक्ला बीइंग मर्डर्ड। पॉलिटिकल ब्लेम गेम के बीच पहली बार टाइम्स नाउ के पास अब ये सीसीटीवी फुटेज आ गई है। इसमें आप देख सकते हैं उस गाड़ी, वो जो सफेद गाड़ी है जहां पे हमने हाथ भी रखा हुआ है, वहां आप देख सकते हैं वो गाड़ी है जिसमें मनीष शुक्ला जो बीजेपी लीडर थे वो बैठे हुए हैं। दो बाइक पे सवार लोग आते हैं, फायर करते हैं और फिर भाग जाते हैं। वो देखिए, वो बाइक उधर राइट साइड से निकल गई है। 5 राउंड्स गोलियां फायर हुई है मनीष शुक्ला, और ये उनके घर के बाहर है बिल्कुल। आप देखिए वो बाइक पे जो लोग आ रहे हैं, गाड़ी का दरवाजा खुलता है और बाइक पे जो लोग सवार हैं वो अचानक फायर करते हैं और उसके बाद वहां से फरार हो जाते हैं। बंगाल सीआईडी, वेस्ट बंगाल सीआईडी को लगता है कि ये पर्सनल एनिमिटी है, आपसी रंजिश का मामला है। और श्रेयसी हमारे साथ जुड़ रही है। श्रेयसी, पहली बार सीसीटीवी फुटेज सामने आई है इस केस में।
Well, that's right, Pranesh. Exclusive CCTV visuals of Sunday night when this particular incident took place right outside Titagarh police station. That area, of course, now has been cordoned off as a crime spot and is being probed by the CID. You can see those visuals, how 2 bike-borne assailants come and then, take away, shoot at Manish Shukla, and then from there they leave from around the car, and you can see Manish Shukla falling from that car, on the road. He's there with his fellow colleagues. Now, very importantly, what the CID was looking into yesterday, apart from these CCTV visuals, for more leads into the case, was the fact that Manish Shukla usually always has his personal security men with him. But on Sunday night, they were absent from, his car, and they were not with him. On the other hand, he also has a licensed weapon for self-protection, but the license was procured from another state, and thus it had been confiscated by the Barrackpur Police Commissionerate last month. So he had no self-defense, weapon on him. What we have learned from his family, there were attempts earlier also to target Manish Shukla. He has, escaped bullets at least 4 times in the past. And now on Sunday, we saw what happened right outside Titagarh police station, those visuals of, Sunday night when exactly that crime took place. The West Bengal police was looking into the matter. The case was handed over to the CID yesterday afternoon by the Mamata Banerjee government.
सीसीटीवी फुटेज की मैं बात करना चाहूंगा और एक बार देखते हैं सीसीटीवी फुटेज जो टाइम्स नाउ ने एक्सेस किए, इसमें दिख क्या रहा है। ये बिल्कुल पुलिस स्टेशन के सामने हुआ है टीटागढ़ में, और ये जो सफेद गाड़ी आप देख रहे हैं उसमें मनीष शुक्ला बैठे हुए थे और ये उनके कार्यालय के सामने भी है, बहुत दूर नहीं है। और उनको सबसे पहले जब ये हुआ तो कैसे बाइक पे सवार कुछ लोग आते हैं, दरवाजा खोलते हैं और फायरिंग करते हैं। 5 राउंड्स गोलियां फायर हुई हैं और उसके बाद वो भाग जाते हैं। कुछ और बाइक पे सवार लोग वहां आते हैं और वो भी उन शूटर्स के पीछे चले जाते हैं। पुलिस क्या कह रही है इस मामले पे? 2 लोग अभी तक अरेस्ट हुए हैं, श्रेयसी।
Well, that's right, Pranesh. 2 people have been arrested. Now, these arrested people are Ghulam Sheikh and we have another person called Mohammad Khurram who have been arrested in this particular case. Now, as per CID sources, Mohammad Khurram's father, who was a CPIM worker, was murdered in 2010. And thereafter, this looks like a case of personal enmity is what the CID sources are saying. And Mohammad Khurram had got in touch with Gulab Sheikh, who had provided not only the weapon and carried out this particular crime, but also given details about Manish Shukla's whereabouts. The fact that he would be at Titagarh at that point in time, the fact that he wouldn't have his personal security men, and also the fact that his personal weapon was not there with him at that point in time. So it looks like it was a pre-planned attack as per the CID. These 2 arrested people will of course be produced before the court today, and CID will be seeking a police remand in this particular case to question further. While of course the BJP is not satisfied with this entire case, seeking a CBI probe, saying that they do not have faith in the state police mechanism. But we'll have to wait and see once the accused are produced in court, what kind of more evidence the CID puts forth to, seek the remand of these two arrested criminals. Now we'll have to see, what the family also demands, because we saw Manish Shukla's father meet the governor yesterday seeking a CBI probe. They have been very clear that this is a political killing, but we heard the TMC also refute that allegation, saying that it looks like an internal rift between the BJP. Now, Manish Shukla was a very close aide of Arjun Singh, who is the BJP MP from Barakpur, and the BJP on record has said that there is, life threat that Arjun Singh has got, and so have his close aides. So, based on that, they are demanding a central probe into this entire case. But so far, of course, as we are bringing to you, not only the CCTV footage exclusively on Times Now, but also the fact that 2 people have been arrested in this particular case, or based on these CCTV footages that we are getting you by the West Bengal CID so far in this case.